Good day everyone. Today I will teach you on how to set and check home Ethernet network continuity using a RJ45 or RJ11 cable tester. So we have here the cable tester kung saan merong RJ45 at RJ11. Ipasok lang natin ang ating Ethernet cable. You will know that your Ethernet cable is functioning kapag umiilaw siya from number 1 to number 8. For testing the Ethernet cable, there is quick test and slow test. And that's how easy it is to check the Ethernet cable using cable tester. Thank you for watching guys. Disclaimer, this video is not mine. It belongs to its rightful owner and this is for educational purposes only.